Hello world. On the post of David Beckham, he captioned it with a message. As I reflect on this birthday, I'm very grateful for many things in my life. The teams I have played for, my teammates, managers, the fans, my country, and being England captain. The children I have met over different charities I work with, my team, in my business, and the friends I have around me, I feel truly blessed. But my biggest accomplishment is and will always be my family, my mom and dad, who sacrificed so much for me to live my dream of being a footballer, my sister who had to put up with following their brother around in cold watching me play football, and my amazing nan and granddad. My wife and best friend of 28 years and my beautiful children, Brooklyn, Romeo, Cruz, and Harper, you are the reason I get up of bed each day. Thank you for making me smile and thank you for making me a better man. I love you all so much and thank you for making today so special for me. You are all my world. A best born day, David Beckham. Happy day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!